Today I'm going to be doing a small little custom mod on the BRZ. I saw this video of Subaru posting this clip right here that I'm going to show you guys. I noticed in one of the little cutscenes, the little silver part that comes on the BRZs and GR86s, it's red. And I believe the new 23 and above BRZs, the TS versions, come with that red accent. And I tried sourcing one, I couldn't find one, so I thought of the next best thing, which is go on eBay, buy a used one, and I ended up popping it out, painting it World Rally Blue. I felt like that was going to suit the car a little bit better since my car is World Rally Blue, and as much as I want red accents, I feel like I have too much red going on in the car and outside the car, and I felt like the World Rally Blue was just going to tie the car in together very well. Let me show you guys how to do this mod. It's pretty simple, but it could be dangerous and you could mess things up, so try to do it very thoroughly. First thing you're going to do is pop your hood up and disconnect the negative terminal. You don't want to be short-circuiting anything. Next up, to get a little bit more space, you're going to push the steering wheel downwards, and that's kind of easy to do. Put you guys in a weird angle, but this little button right here, you just push downwards, and then you're able to just move the steering wheel down. You're also able to move it towards you and like behind like that. I have it all the way forward just because I like that position, and that gives you a little bit more room. And then don't forget to lock it back in place, just so you guys can have a little bit more room while working over here. And excuse my car for being super dusty. Oh my gosh. As you can see, there's two little cutouts right here, and then that's big enough for you can unscrew this part, and the top part's gonna pop off. You're gonna be using an 8mm. They're 8mm bolts. Next up is you're going to be popping this outwards. So this one's pretty easy. It should just have little pop clips, and then you can just pop it out towards you. Just like that. You can see that the little pop clips are at an angle, so you end up sliding this towards you and then popping it out. For anybody that has a base model and wants to upgrade to the Alcantara version, right here is a part number. This part, all you do is pop it forward so this face could kind of slide towards you, just so you could get enough room to fit your hand through there. And then you really don't have to remove anything out. Then you're going to be removing these two bolts right here with the screwdriver. Now you're able to pop this forward towards you. So just be a little bit careful. Kind of hard to tell, but there's pretty much two connectors that you have to unplug. Go ahead and unplug those. There's a connector right here for this small one, and then there's the big connector over here. My OEM Subaru one, and then this is a used one I bought that was pretty much in brand new condition, and then I popped this out and painted it. As you can see, there's a blue color to it, while this one's silver. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm gonna keep it as a spare, just because I might want to paint this red. And then I could always just swap between colors if I wanted to, in case I don't like the blue or if I get tired of the blue. So let's go ahead and pop this out. It's kind of hard to record, but you could buy these pick tools on Amazon for like $5, and you can also buy these like panel removal tools for like $5 as well. And you're just gonna go around where the black tabs are and just kind of go underneath it like that, and then just pop it upwards and just kind of wedge some of these pieces all around there, because you are going to have to pop these out. So you push these downwards and forwards. Very tedious and very time consuming. Probably spend 10 minutes doing it, so it's kind of hard to record it. On second thought, it only took about a minute to 2 minutes, to be honest. It's pretty simple, and this is how it looks like in case you guys want to see it. And next up is just pop this one back in place. Now we're going to be putting back everything in place. Just reconnecting the two connectors and then just putting everything back in place. That's why I try to show you guys a way where you're not removing all these panel pieces. You're just popping out what needs to be popped out instead of doing it a long way where you got to pop everything out. Not really necessary. Back in place. So now just put the two screws back on there, and then push this panel back in and push this panel back in as well. I did pop this one out a little bit more towards me. All that's left to do is just put the two little screws back on. And these weren't really tight on there, so I'm not going to over tighten them or anything. You are tightening it to plastic, so you don't want to overdo it. All that's left to do is just reconnect the battery and then adjust the steering wheel to the correct position, which I don't remember where it was. Probably like around there. So let me go ahead and reconnect the battery. It's a bit hard to see, but hopefully you guys are able to see the blue. It looks really nice, and I'm really happy on how it turned out. Especially while driving, it's going to look really nice. It turned off. I'm just shining some light on my phone. And it came out really nice. World Rally Blue. It ends up matching the car very well. And might not be for everyone, but at least I kind of show you guys on how to do it in case you guys want to customize your BRZ GR86 and you guys want to use like a different paint color, maybe red, or whatever you want to do to match on your car. So that's it for this video, guys. Comment down below. As always, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are interested in some auto folding mirror harnesses, I do sell some plug and play. I also sell plug and play fog lights for your BRZ or GR86. So links down below, or send me a DM on Instagram, 0planet_. As always, guys, peace out and good vibes.